All right, round three, we did another video for the drama sells on YouTube for the haters. That was last year. I put that up on the other channel. So here we are. Sun's coming out. Beautiful day for a walk. Did a video for TikTok. Get out and vote. Allegedly panhandling, walk in the woods. So hopefully people get out and vote. And everything else. So yeah. See who the president is. If there's any violence, I wouldn't be surprised if there was violence. See what happens there, and who knows. But yeah, it's kind of cool to follow these trails down here. Well, you can take a leak out here, not a problem. Someone took a couple of years ago right by my trail, took a crap and wiped their ass right there. It's like going deep in the woods. Some biker. That's funny as hell. That's funny. But yeah, got to pick up some leaves hopefully today because tomorrow I think it's supposed to rain. So yeah, these are great walking trails. Go out and leave the house and do a video. Oh, there's kind of a mess up here. But like I said, when you go down by the Minnesota, which I misidentified it, I thought it was a Mighty Mo. But that's fun to walk down there, and you can walk all the way on that river and walk over the place. But yeah, yeah, I walked that old abandoned rail line. Didn't go anywhere. That was still fun to walk. So at least they had to come through some chainsaws to get it open for people. You can kind of tell. Yeah, what the hell, right? Get a cigar out here. I gotta walk away here. I bought 4 with me just in case. Bought 2 packs today. New lighter. Yeah. I think people call this lazy content. I think it's straight videoing. I put them all up. Put 2 up at a time. Put my thumbnail I want. Title it. I come back and you put the date you want it, and it's done. Well, I said if you encourage one person to get out of the house, get a camera. It's DJI. I like the GoPro 10, but this DJI is a really nice camera. I think they had a scanner here. I thought it did. Let's see. There you go. See. There you go. It's kind of the way it does it. You kind of gotta. There we go. They should have it on the side. Like I said, my favorite camera. You want to just screw around with. If you want to maybe have a TikTok as your flip camera and videotape your dog. Those are great cameras for just screwing around stuff. So older technology can be fun, like old cars. All depends on what you're videotaping. I should get out my pocket one. I should get that out some of these days before I flushed it out one time. It's a fun camera. But yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff down here. Good firewood down here. Old ass trees. All kinds of trees down here. Pond over there. Look at all that driftwood. Like I said, you bring down some younger kids down here, just walk around and introduce them to nature instead of video games, right? Always said, video games are not content. I know people think it is, especially Twitch. It's not. I go in once in a while looking, just people, you know, what if there's 2,000 people in the room? There's 2,000 people that aren't causing trouble, I guess. So anybody can play video games. People, you watch football. Well, I can't play in the NFL. But yeah, I love doing these kind of videos. Somebody, like I said, I want to, because we're going to St. Martin. She'll probably see those later on in April. I've been there before. That's a lot of fun. Videotaping in St. Martin, the Friendly Island. I feel safer in St. Martin than I do in St. Paul at night. You smell all kinds of geef. Hope by now you'll be able to buy marijuana if you want to buy it. I don't care what they say. It's marijuana, pot, geef, what do you want to call it. Someone's bitching that I smoke cheap cigars. Well, I'm not gonna walk around the woods smoking $15 cigars. When I go to St. Martin, I love their cigars. And we go on cruises. I always get a cigar in town, like a Cuban, allegedly really cool, big ass cigar for $10 and walk down. You know, yeah, I buy cheap cigars. When I go to Wisconsin, get them for half the price. Beautiful day to walk. It's gorgeous. Yeah, the Mighty Mighty Mo's over there. Yeah, maybe I'll try these hiking, call them hiking adventures, wandering through the woods in St. Paul, Minnesota. No, I was talking about drama on the other video that's on their channel, way back, probably back in November, it'll come out, 8th will come out, and that drama sells. And NASCAR, no one really cares anymore unless they're fighting. NBA wants to allow fighting, because then they get in the news and people want to watch it. Hockey, there's some fighting. NFL, there's try not to. You know, you're professional felons, behave yourself. Look at those. So you can tell the river when it overflows, probably goes into there. During the, we had a lot of rain this spring. Guarantee it was flooded over here. And I know that Fort Snelling had been done before. That's a fun place to walk down there. You're 14 years old, have someone drop you off, mom and pop, and your 3 buddies, and you can even bike to the Minnehaha area, which I've been before. That's cool. That's fun. Walk around down there. A lot of history. Yeah, if I design this camera, I'll just have the what do you want to call it, the zoom on top. You can just go back and forth. Just like I'd call mine a Flip Pro, meaning you'd have that same kind of technology all rolled into one. But one thing I like about DJI, they take their time and they make good cameras. GoPro just put a 13 out. It's like, no, I'm done. I'm good with my 10. Kind of go over here. This is kind of a cooler area. Hey, come down here and write a song. Picked up a flight crew for the company. Couldn't get him, and the guy had a guitar. He was playing in the back, and I was rapping to it, called the Minneapolis Blues. It was pretty funny. Had a good time. But anyways, we'll kind of get up here. Well, this camera, I can go for like 14, 15 minutes if I want, but you want to keep it about 12 minutes. Go too far. So we'll get up over here the hill and you can kind of see the crust, see the mighty, mighty Mo. How low it is. Kind of see. And go down there and see how low it is. Anyways, guys, see you next one.